how to download Instagram as app in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to download Instagram on your Windows 11. But for that, first things first, you'll need to head over to your Microsoft Store, open it up, and then you just need to search for Instagram on the search tab, and then Instagram will open up and you will see the get option right there. Just tap on it and this will start the installation process. You need to wait for a while and then Instagram will be downloaded on your PC. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.